Alright, thanks for tuning in this week's video. Today we're going to go over Kodak stock. Now, I'm sure you've seen in the news that this stock has just been crazy. It's chopped up in an exorbitant amount in one single day. I think the highest it ever went was about $60, and it closed the day out at $33.20, giving it a 318% gain in one day, which is absolutely ludicrous. But anyways, let's just get right into the stock analysis. So first things first, you can see that their new market cap is $1.5 billion, which is generally why this stock was able to jump up so much in one single day, because since it had such a low market cap previously, that it was able to run that much higher. Now let's get into the reason why it raised up so high. Just like all stocks, they're really sensitive to news. They trade based on the future market value. So as you can see with this article, basically they're getting a $765 million loan support just so they can start developing more generic drugs. I was a bit lazy, I didn't read all the other articles, but I'm assuming, again, just like everything else, it has to do with COVID. And just like any pharmacy stock, if you pretty much put out any news that anything is going to trial or you're getting help from the government or literally anything progressing in this pandemic, your stock is just going to go up like crazy. So the next thing I want to go look over is, let's go look at the chart. Now you can see that it's pretty funny. If you look at the last 5 days, there's basically the days before Tuesday, you can't even see the volume on the stock. It was so low. And then all of a sudden Tuesday had 30 million. And then today they had about another 20 million. Now the biggest concern that I would see about this is, if you could look, this is basically like a false rally. It had a huge spike, then it started to slow down, and then it had another huge spike, and it's returning back to normalcy. So what I mean by like a false rally or a false breakout is, now that the hype is gone, because the bulls, no one can stay in charge forever. The bulls, the bears, it always returns back to normalcy. And as soon as that happens, another group's going to take over. So in my personal opinion, this stock is going to go back down. I usually provide all the facts and information when doing my stock technical analysis, but this is just crazy, man. And then if you go look at their balance sheet, you can see that they can't support this kind of money at all. Literally, there's no way they could. Their $1 billion new valuation now cannot support this. And even more so, technically, when it was at $60 a share, that's what, like a $3 billion valuation for this company? They're not worth $3 billion. That's insane. So I just want to do this quick little analysis video, share my thoughts on it. The main thing is, I don't see the stock running up anymore unless somehow magically they pull out another piece of news information and just slap it out there for the public to see. Obviously putting it in high regards that, like, oh, they found a cure, boom, they're the only ones too, they have a monopoly on it, boom. Other than that, I don't see anything really making this stock run any further. And then I also saw some funny comments that Trump's like son or something like that owns this stock, and there's some insider trading involved. I don't know about all that, but that is kind of funny to see. So let me know in the comments below what you decide to look at when you're checking out this stock, and whether or not you think it's going to keep running up, or like me, you think it's going to shoot way down. But anyways, I love making these videos. Let me guys know in the comment section below your thoughts and opinions on the stock and whatever opinions are on this video. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more future content. Thanks for watching.